Yo, what up, squad? All right, y'all. So, man, you want to know something? You want to know what drives me absolutely crazy about most robot mops? You run them over a dry sauce stain in your kitchen floor, and instead of cleaning it up, they just smear it into a bigger mess. You're left with a dirty smudge trail and a robot that thinks it did a great job. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 fixes all of that when it comes to the feature that I've never seen on a robot vacuum before. Now, it sprays the stain first, breaks it down with pressured water, then cleans it. One pass, floor is done, and today, y'all, I'm breaking it all down with every single feature that you guys need to know before you guys bring one of these inside your home. Let's talk about it. Now, here's the core problem that the X12 was built to solve. Traditional robot mops, even expensive ones, they approach a dry stain with just, trying to scrub it harder. But dried sauce, coffee, kitchen grease, those don't necessarily come up from scrubbing alone. The result is the robot pushes the stain aside, spreads the residue, and you still have to get down on your hands and knees to be able to finish the job yourself. Now, ECOVACS completely rethought this when it comes to the X12. Instead of scrubbing harder, it treats the stain first, then it removes it. That's the entire philosophy of this machine right here that I really want to get and relay across to you guys. And every single feature on this robot here is built around delivering that promise. So let's go ahead and break it all down. Now, the first feature I want to tell you guys about, and I feel like this is the headline feature, the one that makes the X12 OmniCyclone genuinely different from every other robot mop on the market. It's called the FocusJet, and here's exactly what it does. The X12 has dual high pressure nozzles that fire at a 46,000 PA pressurized spray in a continuous 3-second cross jet pattern directly onto the stain before the roller ever makes contact. That spray softens the sticky spills, dried residue, as well as the kitchen grease, and it breaks down the bond between the mess as well as your floor. Then the Osmo Roller 3.0 comes through and it removes what the spray actually loosened up, often completing everything in a single pass. And the kitchen specifically, right? That's where FocusJet works the best. Grease splashes near the stove, sticky semi-dry stains under the dining table, sauce drips on the floor. Those are your toughest messes for any floor cleaner. FocusJet tackles them at the source. And then when it comes to the Osmo Roller 3.0 itself, it has a 27 centimeter ultra long roller with a 32-way pressurized spray system that continuously self-washes during cleaning. So clean water is always reaching your floor and dirty water never goes back to the surface. No smearing, no recontamination, just clean floors, all right? Now, when it comes to the second feature here, we got to talk about the TruEdge 3.0. And this is the feature for anyone out there who's ever run a robot vacuum and still found that dusty line that is along every baseboard as well as the corner. And you know the one, no matter what, there it is. The X12 OmniCyclone's roller physically extends up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the robot's body, gliding directly against baseboards, cabinet edges, and toe kicks with a zero distance edge structure. It's not just cleaning near the edge, it's cleaning at the edge, if that makes sense. The TruEdge 3D structured light edge sensor tells the robot exactly where the boundary is, and then the roller continuously hugs it with a stepless air cushion extension mechanism that adapts to the curves as well as the corners. So when it comes to the results, the dust lines as well as the edge buildup patches that you normally will walk by and you see literally every single day, or that you manually have to go through and sweep after every robot run, it is gone. The X12 gets them in the same class as mopping when it comes to your open floor. No follow-up, no broom. Now, the next point that I want to tell you guys about, which is the third one, we got to talk about the vacuuming performance, because this robot here has to handle dry messes alongside wet ones in the same clean and run. And when it comes to the X12, it delivers that with two systems working together. You have the blast airflow suction, uses a high efficiency straight through airflow duct design to generate approximately 22,000 PA of maximum suction power. Designed for powerful one-pass pickup on both either carpets as well as hard floors for everything from fine dust to crumbs to tracked in debris and even pet food. It handles dry debris alongside wet messes efficiently in a single run. And for my pet owners, especially like myself, ZeroTangle 4.0, man, is the feature that you need to see. Instead of hair wrapping around a brush roller, ZeroTangle directs hair straight into the suction path with an airflow directed anti-tangle main brush and a dual cluster AR clean anti-tangle side brush. So after your cleaning sessions, you open the robot and the brushes are squeaky clean, all right? There's no hair that is wrapped around it or anything like that. No cutting hair off the brushes with scissors. Minimum maintenance, maximum pickup is what you guys are getting. Now, the next thing I want to talk about, which I always feel like is important, and that is battery as well as a charging. And this one matters the most for people with large homes. Now, the X12 OmniCyclone uses PowerBoost fast charging, a GaN-based charging system that rapidly replenishes the battery during station dock stops. In just a 3-minute mop washing cycle, the robot restores up to 13% of its battery. That means every time the X12 returns to the station to wash its roller, it's also topping up the battery at the same time. So cleaning sessions are barely interrupted when it comes to this robot here. Then on top of that, the adaptive charging strategy means that the robot intelligently estimates how much power it actually needs based on your home size and the cleaning mode it's running. So it's optimizing every charge cycle for efficiency while it's also protecting the long-term battery health. Now the result? Under strong suction as well as adaptive charging mode, the X12 supports continuous cleaning coverage of over 1,000 square meters. So for a large multi-room home, that means the robot here will run the whole job without you having to babysit it between charges. Now this next feature I want to tell you guys about is the OmniCyclone station, y'all, and this is where the X12 separates itself from the X12 Pro Omni version. Now the OmniCyclone here, man, uses a cyclone-based dust collection system, which means there's no disposable dust bags ever. The Cyclone separates dust from air mechanically, maintaining strong dust separation performance without the ongoing cost and hassle of bag replacements. You open the station after several days of cleaning a real home, and the dust separation is visibly effective, with debris collected cleanly into no bag to be able to swap out. Now, when it comes to the roller, the station's Fresh Flow roller washing system thoroughly cleans the roller during and after every single cleaning cycle. Dirty water is automatically separated from the clean water, so the roller is always being washed with fresh water. So after washing, you get a 63-degree hot air drying, which prevents odor as well as mildew buildup. The roller is dry, is clean, and ready for your next session without you doing anything. So for a busy household that cleans frequently, there's no bags, no hand washing mops, no smelly docking station. That is exactly what hands-free is supposed to be. Now, when it comes to the next part here, the next feature, we got to talk about the smart navigation and control. And when it comes to the X12 OmniCyclone here, man, it keeps this genuinely simple. It has AIVI 3D 4.0 that uses advanced structured light sensors to detect and navigate around cables, toys, furniture legs, and even pet items. And it also adapts to real home environments rather than just getting stuck and waiting for you to rescue it, all right? Now, when it comes to floor transitions, there's the TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive system that handles thresholds and uneven surface changes more smoothly, so whole home cleaning here don't just stop at every doorway. And then when it comes to control, you can say things like, "Hi Yico, clean the kitchen," and boom, it is done. The Agent Yico AI assistant here handles voice commands and intelligent cleaning suggestions, so you don't have to open up the app every single time. And when you do use the ECOVACS app, the room-specific cleaning option, you also have custom zones. You can also set schedules, which are all straightforward and intuitive within this app. Now, there's the carpet first cleaning strategy that I also want to talk about that I feel like is worth calling out. Now, I don't have carpet within my home, but the robot vacuums carpet while the roller is still dry. Then it mops the hard floors afterwards. That prevents any moisture from crossing between surfaces, which is exactly how a mixed floor home should be handled. So my final thoughts on this, man, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone is built for one specific person. Anyone who has ever watched a robot mop smear stain across their kitchen floor and thought, there has to be just a better way. FocusJet proves that there is. You spray first, then it clean. One pass and it's done. For large homes with mixed flooring, you got kids, you got pets, daily spills, and kitchen messes. This system here, man, can handle it all with minimum upkeep. No dust bags, no hand washing the mop, no hair tangled in the brushes, and no chasing edge dust lines with the broom. Now, I also want to mention that ECOVACS does offer another version in the same series. You can go with the X12 Pro Omni, which is going to be your traditional dust bag station design, or you can also go with the X12 OmniCyclone, which is going to be your bagless OmniCyclone system with lower long-term maintenance. So whichever option you guys go with, you'll just have to choose which one is going to be the best for your home. So if you guys enjoyed this video, man, definitely make sure you hit that like button down below. And also, man, I got to send a huge shout out to my friends over at ECOVACS for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Squad, we out.